Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the pound against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.330. The pound is supported by national statistics, according to which the UK economy grew by 0.7% in the first quarter, compared to the forecast for growth of 0.6%. In addition, the figure was much better than the result of the last quarter of 2024, when GDP grew by 0.1%. Higher GDP growth in the UK confirms the strength of the economy, which reduces the likelihood of more significant easing of national monetary policy. On Wednesday, Catherine Mann, a member of the Monetary Policy Committee at the Bank of England, told CNBC that the interest rate should be kept at the current level due to the risks of rising inflation and a strong labor market. According to analysts, the pound retains growth potential. Next, oil. Brent crude is trading at $65 per barrel. Pressure on quotes is being exerted by signs of an imminent conclusion of a nuclear deal between Iran and the United States, the likelihood of which was confirmed yesterday by U.S. President Donald Trump. Experts note that if the negotiations are successfully completed, sanctions on Iranian oil exports will be lifted, which will lead to an increase in supplies to the market, the demand for which remains very limited. Another factor in the decline in prices was the forecast of the International Energy Agency that demand for black gold will recover more slowly than expected this year due to economic difficulties, combined with record sales of electric vehicles. And finally, dollar against franc. The pair is trading at 0.8340. The U.S. Producer Price Index fell to 2.4% from 2.7% in April year-on-year. Earlier this week, data showed that the U.S. Consumer Price Index fell to 2.3% from 2.4% over the same period. The decline in inflation increases the likelihood of U.S. monetary easing. Market participants are now pricing in an almost 77% chance of a first cut of at least 25 basis points at the central bank's meeting in September. In total, 2 rate cuts are expected this year. Given this, the U.S. currency risks remaining under pressure. However, the pair's downside potential is limited amid the Swiss National Bank's intentions to cut rates into negative territory or intervene to prevent the franc from rising further. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.